Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Amazfit GTR2e, the more pocket-friendly variant of the GTR2. So it retains most of the features and design but skips a few things, and in exchange we get longer battery life. By the way, I had made a detailed review video of the GTR2. I highly recommend you see that as well. You can click the card up here. I'll also leave the link in the description. So let's unbox it, see how it's different, how it's similar to its elder sibling, so that you can decide which one is perfect for you. Alright, let's jump into the unboxing. Inside the box we get the GTR2e, the watch itself, a charging cable and a user manual. So let's start with a physical overview. It has a round dial with an aluminium alloy body. It has brushed matte grey finish on the sides and looks really premium. There is now a 2.5D curved glass screen as opposed to the 3D on the GTR2. On the side are two buttons. Top one is to access the app menu and the down button is to quick access workouts. The down button can also be custom set to launch other things like weather, heart rate, alarms, compass, timer and some more. We get the same options in GTR2 as well. The back is made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, charging terminals and a mic at the bottom left for voice commands. The GTR2 also had a speaker on the back which the GTR2e lacks. So with that, you could answer calls and talk using the watch and listen to music as well, though it wouldn't get very loud. But you can't do either of them on the GTR2e. The straps are made of soft silicone with a buckle design and have a comfortable fit. They can be replaced with any 22mm third-party bands thanks to the hook mechanism on the strap. Coming to the display, it has a 1.39-inch touch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. Since it's an AMOLED panel, colors are vibrant and blacks are pitch dark. The text and images are sharp thanks to a 341 ppi. The bezels on the side are quite thin and blend in with the display when you're using a black watch face. The brightness can be set to auto and it will adjust automatically depending on the light conditions, or actually you can even manually set it. The watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating, so wearing it in the rain, shower or even for a swim is fine. In fact, the watch even comes with swim tracking, open water as well as pool swimming. Coming to the tracking, the GTS2e comes with tons of workout modes from outdoor running, walking, cycling, treadmill, elliptical training, climbing, skiing and some more. There is also auto workout detection which the GTR2 lacked. However, you have to enable it once in the settings. The watch comes with built-in GPS to map your runs and walk for more accurate tracking. I haven't tested its performance, but considering that the GTR2 did a very good job, this too should be the same. The interface is really snappy and very well optimized. Swipe from below to access your notifications. Swipe from up to access quick toggles. Swipe right and you get activity tracking, heart rate, music player controller, weather, PAI and alarms. Press the top button and you can see all the apps including heart rate, SpO2, stress monitoring, weather, music, alarm and settings. You can see it yourself. The user experience is smooth and super responsive. The GTR2e comes with a mic which basically is for voice commands you can give to your watch. You can ask it to enable DND, turn on workouts, enable battery saving, turn on flashlight and even control music. The list is long. You can see all the commands in the watch settings and even on the Zepp app. The watch comes with 8 pre-installed watch faces, some formal, some casual to fit everyone's taste. If you want some more, there are over 50 that you can download from the Zepp companion app. There are digital, analog and many colorful ones that look amazing on the AMOLED display. You can also custom set your picture from the gallery as a watch face. Simply choose the picture and click sync. You should see the picture on your watch face in a couple of seconds. The Zepp companion app is very functional and easy to use. Shows you your steps, heart rate, sleep tracking and workout details on the home page. You can also share data from your favorite fitness apps like Strava and Google Fit, something I'm sure many would appreciate. Rest in the settings you can enable call alerts, notifications, app settings, system updates and more. Alright, so what are the major differences between the GTR2 and the GTR2e? Follow carefully or it might get a little confusing. Firstly, lack of speaker and Wi-Fi support on the GTR2e, so you can't answer calls and talk using a smartwatch. But you'll get call alerts where you'll see the caller's name, you can silent the ringer or reject the call, but you can't answer it. Then there is no internal memory on the GTR2e to save music. The GTR2 had 3 GB internal storage. But still, with the 2e, you can control the music that is playing on your phone from the Watch Music app. I think that's good enough. Now, because we lose out on some of these features, in exchange, the GTR2e gets much better battery life with the same 471 mAh battery, almost double, 24 days from the previous 14 days on the GTR2. Not only that, the GTR2e also comes at a lower price. The GTR2e is priced at 9,999 while the GTR2 was priced at 12,999. 3,000 rupees lesser. It's great to see that you have options now. You get the same display, same premium build, same workout modes, better battery life for 3,000 rupees lesser. And that's a really good deal. But if you want internal memory to save songs along with the ability to answer calls on your watch, then you should consider the GTR2. The GTR2e is going on sale on 17th of January on Amazfit and the Amazon website. I'll leave the links below of both with all the color options, so if you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.